Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video we're going to talk about a simple trim band called the olive branch. It's a really nice trim band. It adds a nice little decorative aspect to your guide wrap. So I like to put it on some of the rods, and we're just going to show you how to do that. It's a real simple, quick trim band, and we'll just get right into it. If you haven't already, subscribe, smash that like button, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these rod wrapping videos, if you like them, if what you'd like to see, and I'll keep putting them out if they're liked. They do pretty good on the view, so I'm assuming that everybody that is watching likes them. So you got your guide on there, and it's a real simple wrap. We're just gonna get right into it. Get some tension on this thing. Alright, you start out your wrap like you normally would. I'm going to grab some green because it obviously is the olive branch, and we'll just get some green thread out here. I'm going to go around a few times to get this. There we go, over here, right. So what you're going to do is you're going to, on this one, I'm going to cross over the top of the black thread, under the black thread, and so on and so forth. I'll do 5 or 6. As you can see, it's just twisting it around. It's real simple. I'm gonna do one more. Nope, one was too much. Now I'm just gonna go around it. I like to put 2 in between. You could do just 1. All right, we're gonna cut this tag end out of our way. And then we're just gonna put 1 single band of green, and then we'll do our 2 again. Okay, now we went over the top of it, under and over last time, so this time we're gonna go this way. You're gonna go the opposite way as you went the first time. We'll get like 6 or 7 of these wraps on here, and then we'll just twist it. Too many. And back one off. Let's tighten all this stuff up now. Alright, we'll cut this green thread out of our way. And then you wrap your guide. I started way out. I like to go like this to grab the foot. I'll move these down as we get a few wraps on here. Alright, we'll start moving these down now. Alright, we'll get a piece of scrap thread. We'll use the rest of that green that we have left over. We'll make our pull through. Oops. There we go. Looks good there. We'll loosen this up, hold this here. I just tighten up the pull thread, cut that off as close as I can, and when I pull it, it stays in. But that's a simple, easy trim band. It's pretty decorative. It's called the olive branch. I really like it. It works good. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, everybody.